Today I am going to show you a very interesting feature of Google Earth, that is placemark. Let us continue. Open Google Earth. Navigate to the location where you want to add the placemark. Click on the Add button in the top toolbar and select placemark from the drop-down menu. Or click on the Add Placemark icon. Navigate the placemark where you want to place. In the Add Placemark dialog box, enter a name for new placemark in the name field. The dialog box is showing zone and current coordinate of the placemark. Icon type can be changed by just clicking the icon right adjacent of name dialog box. There are around 167 icons. You can select the icon as per your requirement. You can change the color, scale and opacity of the icon. Click on Style Color adjacent to description. You can change color, scale and opacity of label and icon. You can also add a description as you need to add by clicking on the description tab. You can add more placemarks here as per your work requirement in the similar way as we seen before here. Now we will see the editing of placemark. If you want to edit any placemark, just keep your cursor on the placemark you want to edit. Right click of your mouse on the placemark and go to the properties. Now you can change placemarks name, color, scale and opacity. There is a window places below the search window. You can also edit here by right clicking on the placemark. You can change name, can relocate the placemark, can change the icon type, icon color, icon scale and icon opacity. You can change the color and opacity of labels and icons. You can see all the placemark here you added. Now we will see the savings the placemark. You can save these placemarks. Right click on any placemark you want to save and go to Save Places As. Fill the name of file and select the saving location in your computer. Now I am deleting the placemark too and going to open it from the saved location. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe for more interesting videos.